We just got back traveling from California where Mike thought it was a great idea to drive 26 hours straight. Y'all been asking a lot, hey, why aren't y'all doing any installs, any reviews, things like that? So we promised you guys we're gonna start getting back into that. Hold on, let me adjust this light real quick. Oh shit, that's bright. Oh shit, that's brighter. As many of you guys know, me and Mike have both got Indian Challengers. Mike already did a lot of installs on his stuff. Mike did installs. I ordered my bike and I went a different route. I went with some other things. So I'm gonna be installing those today. I'm not gonna do an install video and show you guys how to do it. All that shit's out there. What I will do is show you what I do and kind of in the process of, hey, this is fucked up or this ain't fucked up, shit like that. In advance, I want to thank Zach for editing this. So I'm gonna be cussing, I'm gonna be throwing shit. Somewhere in the garage, there's 2 dogs. I don't know where the hell they are. They're just running around like little crackheads. One of the real annoying things to me about an Indian Challenger, other bikes and other manufacturers, not just motorcycles, but BMW cars, Mercedes cars, Ferrari, Lamborghini, they all do this shit to where they have all these options. They'll put it on the screen, but they don't give it to you, and you gotta add it. One of the weird fucking things on the Indian Challenger, you go in here and you go to the home or whatever, this motherfucker. See right here? That's your homelink. So it's got a garage door opener. Fucking badass. I got a motorcycle, garage door opener. I ain't gotta take my helmet off. Fiddle fuck with shit to get to it, right? The motherfucker's an option. You gotta add a part to make the shit even work. Just fucking include it. It's right here. So basically you add this little fucking button deal, which goes behind this fucking panel, so you never see it. So in order to use that, you gotta fucking sit there and fiddle fuck with that. Takes literally 5 minutes. 5 fucking minutes. Oh, there's my helpers. My helpers are right here. Think they want back in. Zach, you may have to edit this shit. I don't know, but keep it where it's funny. Let me give you a cold start with the Indian motorcycle and its stock exhaust. So that's the stock. That's its stock exhaust. And it has a cool little sound to it, but it has that weird V-twin Chinesey sound. Is that racist? We'll say Asian sound. Asian. But it has that sport bike sound instead of muscle. You know, I have a sport bike. I have it, it's right here. That's my BMW S1000. We'll give it a start. This bitch may not start. I don't ever fuck with it, right? Go in neutral, ho. That's a bad bitch right there. It might not come across on camera, but there's that little tingy noise, that high-pitched little, like a whistle tip. So that's in there. But anyways, guys, without further ado, I'm gonna start tearing this bike apart. Things I'm gonna be doing to it. I got a new antenna, because I don't want this going up my wife's ass. I got new handlebars. They're in here. They're real good. We got a RineHart exhaust. We got headers. We got intake. So we're going to go stage 1. New tuner. We got all that shit going on there. I got some other stuff. It's just not here yet. New mirrors, new lights, things like that. It's just not here. Highway bar, blah, blah, blah. What I'll do is I'll install all this shit. Then I'll give you guys a rating. How hard was it? Was the handlebars hard? Was this hard? Things like that. And we'll go from there. I did install this fucking windshield right here. And none of these assholes gave us anything for free, so don't think that. It's 5 little screws, 5-10 minutes. Everything on here is cool, and that's what I love about working on motorcycles. The exotic cars, to work on those, you gotta fucking take it somewhere to do every little thing to them. Motorcycles and American cars, the beauty of them, most of the time you can work on them in your garage till you start getting into higher horsepower, then you can't fuck with it. But I love being able to tinker on cars. That's what I've done all my life. Fuck with cars, motorcycles, things like that. So it's always fun to get back in the garage and do this shit yourself. You get a sense of accomplishment. It's fun. You bitches know what I'm talking about. Next time you see it, it'll have the exhaust, some other shit. Maybe there'll be some stuff in here about, hey man, this is fucked up, don't do this. Taking the bike apart, if you guys want to see something, we'll get Zach to throw some links up in here. JP Cycle shows a lot of ways to tear this bike apart. It's really fucking easy. So those little links will be either in here, or in the description, whatever Zach decides to do, because Zach edits this shit and he's the man. We'll see you guys in just a minute. I should do one of those and all that shit you do. Zach may do it. He's an editing fool. So you guys heard the cold start with the stock exhaust. Now we got Freedom headers and RineHart exhaust. So here you go. Turn this bitch get you off. So it's a pretty clean little setup. See, we added the stage 1 filter. Got the power commander on it now, blah, 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 and all that stuff. Look at this. That's that AR-15 style merge tip. That's pretty clean. There's Mr. Ritland's bike right there. He dropped it off. I'm putting these bars on, his highway bars, and then I got to put these on when he gets back. Speaking of bars, what's y'all's favorite bar? Y'all go drinking? I'm just fucking with you. We put these bars on. High-rise bar. All that good shit. All in all, it's a good install. It's a pain in the butt. My back is fucked. It's not that it's a hard install. I'm just fucking old. But it looks real good. We got some more parts coming in. I got new mirrors coming. These are aluminum looking. And I got black powder coated ones coming. I got rear footboards coming for my wife. Back rest for her. And I order so much shit sometimes I don't even remember what the hell all I got. If you ask me, it's a good install. If many of you guys are looking, RineHart as of this moment does not make a full header. So people that are telling you they do not. Matter of fact, let me look. I'm gonna be weird as fuck and look at mics real quick. I don't know what the hell brand mics are, but I have a Freedom header. Mics, I don't know what the hell this shit is. But all in all, man, not easy install. It's time consuming. It took me probably 6 hours to do it all. Wouldn't take me 6 hours to do it again. I was doing the homelink deal. That's pretty cool. Now I got garage door opener and touchscreen like I bitched about a minute ago. It's right here. The handlebars, power commander, the air intake, and then the headers and exhaust. Oh, my personal favorite. So let's look at mics real quick, for example. I told you guys about this antenna because I don't want this going up my wife's ass. See how big that is? I went ahead and I did this shit right here. Look at that. That antenna ain't going up nobody's ass. Maybe a midget. Could go up a midget's ass. But other than that, man, this install, the sound, sounds like a good bike. Don't have that ting. Remember I was telling you guys about that tingy fucking noise? A whistle tip. And don't have that. I messed up on I think they're KRG bars. I can't fucking remember. I scratched them right here. I'll fix that shit. Oh, that's what else I got coming. I got another brake, another pedal over there. I got my highway bars coming too, like Mike's. I'm not gonna get the Indian rest like he has. He has these nice Indian bars, and I'm not doing that shit. My wife's creeping. Look, she's right there. She closed the door. She's fucking weird. But I'll do something else just so they're always different, something different to look at. Anyways, guys, hope you liked it. It's been a while since we've done a install/review. I didn't show y'all how to do shit. Go on YouTube. That's what the fuck you're here for. Peace.